Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy for 2025: how to transfer cash from PayPal to Venmo. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or managing your side hustle funds, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to have both a PayPal and Venmo account set up. If you don't, pause this video, create them quickly, and come back. Assuming you're all set, start by opening your PayPal app or website. Log in with your credentials and head to your wallet or balance section. Here, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Funds option. This is where the magic begins. Now, in 2025, PayPal has made things even smoother with direct integration options, but if that's not available in your region, we'll go with the standard method. Select Withdraw to Bank and choose the bank account linked to your PayPal. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be a small fee, so check that first to avoid surprises. Once you've confirmed, hit Submit, and your funds will be on their way to your bank, usually within 1 to 3 business days. While that's processing, switch over to your Venmo app. Log in and go to the Add Money section. Here, you'll link your bank account if you haven't already. It's straightforward, just follow the prompts. Once linked, select Add from Bank, and choose the same account you withdrew to from PayPal. Enter the amount, double-check for accuracy, and confirm the transfer. Venmo is pretty fast, so you might see the funds in minutes. A quick tip: always keep an eye on transaction fees and use secure networks to protect your info. Also, if you're dealing with large amounts, verify your accounts to speed things up. There you have it. Cash transferred from PayPal to Venmo in no time. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.